Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Anna. Welcome back to the Bunny Group Swap reveal for group number 4. Starting us out today is Teresa Day. Teresa, thank you so much. I appreciate you, lady. So she sent this really cute card, really pretty, handmade. It says, kick up your heels and have fun. So she did send me a couple of extra goodies. It says, thank you so much for all the hard work you do to put swaps together. I'm sending you some bunny bows and rolled flowers. Hope you enjoy them, Teresa Day. And then she's got this really cute stamp in the back. Teresa, I like that. Great job. I don't remember seeing it before, but it is really pretty. So extras. Guys, I don't know why here lately I have been into rolled flowers, and I cannot find a good die for rolled flowers that I actually like. And she sent me some rolled flowers. Look at these. I'm going to color these in, and I'm going to use every last one of them. Thank you, Teresa. So she sent me a whole bunch of different ones. She sent me a lot. And then she sent me some bunny ear bows. So those are the bunny ears, and here is the bottom part of the bunny ear bows, and I'm assuming this goes in the center. These are so cool. I like them. Thank you so much, Teresa. I really, oh, and I think it's 2 different sizes. Yes, it's 2 different sizes. Look at that. That's so cool. Teresa, thank you so much. I really appreciate these. And I'll have to show you what they look like once they are finished. Thank you so much. So, like I said, starting us today is Teresa. And look at these little tags. That's such a great idea. So this one is for Andre, and this one is for LV Crafts. Okay, so she did make an extra one for me. Thank you so much, Teresa, and we will open that one. All right, so I've taken everything out of the bag, and look how cute is her loaded pocket. You did a good job. I like that. So let's move this to the side for a second. And look at her wand, how cute. She has wrapped her straw in this beautiful washi tape, pink and white polka dot. She's made the rosette. She's finished off the back really nicely. She's put some trim around the rosette, the front of the rosette, and then she put another smaller rosette, and then the bunny right on top of him. That is so cute. I like this rosette, so darling. And then after that, we're gonna go to her tag. And look at her tag, guys, how cute. Oh my goodness, look at this little bunny. Aww. She put some more grass at the bottom with the eggs and the bunny. There's a bunny inside the basket with eggs and flowers on the sides. This beautiful bow on the top. And that's so cute. Look at that. That's cute. And then her tie on the top. She has used a copper eyelet on the top. That's so pretty. Awesome. Thank you so much, Teresa. And then after that, we are going to go to her handmade flowers. And these are her handmade flowers. So stinking cute. Oh, look at those, how pretty. And they are on a vine. And here's another vine with some leaves. Very pretty. Thank you, Teresa. So pretty. And then we will go to her dangle. I'm gonna take this off of here, and she put it on a copper garment pin, and this is her dangle. Oh, that is so pretty. Made with love. She put a little cross on there. She put a flower at the bottom and some beautiful spring colored beads. Very pretty. Look at this big bead at the top. So pretty. I love it. Thank you, Teresa. Very pretty. And then she put her die cuts in this bag, which we will get to in a second. But here is her loaded pocket. She has put a big old spring ephemera piece on the top, maybe chipboard. So some flowers there and beautiful bird background. She has created her pocket in a square form. That's very pretty, very nicely done. Thank you, Teresa. And she has doubled up, it looks like, on the paper. She put solid paper and then she put pattern paper. Very pretty. Some trim on the top. This looks like a belly band of some sort. That's cool. I like that. Very nice. Thank you, Teresa. And then her die cuts, and she put a couple of banners in there. She put a coffee cup. She's got this cute little pineapple. She's got some more flowers. And then she's got a couple of doilies. Very nice. Thank you, Teresa. And then inside that pocket as well was a few extra goodies. She has included some eyelash trim, some stickers. Oh, those are pretty. Those are foam stickers. And then she has, I'm not going to take this eyelash trim out because I don't want it to unravel. And then she has put some dewdrops in here. Some clear dewdrops. Some, they're not stickers. She has included some ephemera. Look at the cute little bunny that was on the wand, and some stickers. So super cute. I love that bunny. That is so adorable. Okay, and then she has included a memo pad with a pen. So super cute, like that. Guys, she included some yummies. This one is cookies and cream candy cookie bits. It's cream candy with cookie bits. Oh, that looks so good. And then she has included some chocolates. Rejoice in the wonder of the day. Oh, that is beautiful. I'm gonna eat that. And it's a little card. How cute is that? Thank you, Teresa. It's gonna be hard to eat that chocolate, but not hard enough. And then she has included an organza bag with some more goodies. Oh man. She's got some chocolates, some Russell Stover chocolates. And you know what? I'm gonna eat this one right after this video. One of my favorites. So thank you so much, Teresa, for joining our swap. It is always a pleasure to have you on board. All right, next up is going to be Andre Gold. This is Andre Gold's swap for the bunny group swap, which is group number 4. Thank you so much, Andre. She has included 3 packages and she has personalized each one. How cute is that? Look at these little tags. Okay, let me put these where they go and we will get into my bag. Thank you so much, Andre. Okay, look at this tag, guys. How cute is this little bunny? It looks like maybe she put some glossy accents on the ears. That is so cute. What a great idea, Andre. That looks so pretty. It says, just for you, Anna. And then she has labeled the back. Oh, that is so pretty. It looks like a piece of chipboard. It's layered a few times. So adorable. I love that. Thank you, Andre. Okay, I took Andre's loaded bag out of the plastic bag that it was in. Look at this great big bow and look at this cabochon in the center. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. Andre, you'll have to tell me where you got that. That is so nice. I love that. So let me take everything out so we can look at her bag. And her bag, oh, she's got this in there as well. She has a great big bow on the front. She made gussets for the sides. She uses beautiful paper. And then there's the back. How cool. Oh my goodness, that's different. And then she's included some paper for us. I've taken the 6x6 that she has sent us. She sent us Let me do it this way. I took it out of the wrapping it was in. So let me give you a quick flip through. Very pretty. Very pretty paper. Thank you, Andre. So let me put that back in there like that. And then she also sent us a little envelope with what in here? With a little card. Thank you for swapping with me. Enjoy, Andre Gold. That's so cute. Andre, thank you. So there's one of those in every envelope. And then this is her dangle. And this is her dangle. How cute. Look at all those pretty springy colors. Yellow, blue, clear, and orange. Spacers in between. Oh, that's pretty. Thank you, Andre. And these are her two handmade flowers. How pretty. They look like sunflowers. She's got quite a few layers on there. She's got some orange glitter, some foam balls. Very pretty. Very nice. Nicely done. Thank you, Andre. And then this is her wand. How pretty. She's got a doily on the back, some glitter tulle, and then it looks like she's got some pipe cleaner around her paper rosette and a blue center. Big blue bow on there with some trim, blue and white. That's different. And then her straw has a pom-pom in the end. Very cute. Thank you, Andre. She's got this beautiful blue and yellow background. Some of this fringy stuff at the bottom. She's got this hello up on, it looks like she cut the hearts out of foam, or the bottom heart. And then the blue heart, she cut out of glitter paper. It says hello. And then this blue flower with a yellow bow. Very pretty. Look at this paper. Oh my goodness, it is beautiful. Thank you, Andre. She's got her die cuts. Look at this big pineapple. That's so cute. She's got the word love. She's got this cute little bunny. Look at that. Oh my goodness, he's adorable. She's got some butterflies in here. This other bunny. Oh, they are cute. She's got this one that says create. She's got a bow for us in here. She's got happy, the word happy, hello, and look at this beautiful die cut. Again, guys, I think this matches my Glam Rock paper pad that I got in my design team. It's probably where I'll be using this one. And then these beautiful background hearts. This one says good luck, and a rolled flower. Yes. Well, thank you so much, Andre, for playing along. Thank you for including me. And we are going to go to our next player. All right, ladies, this next one comes from LV Crafts. Her name is Lynn. So thank you so much, Lynn. She sent 3 packages, which means she included me. I appreciate it so much, Lynn. Thank you. This one is for Teresa. This one's for Andre. Okay, guys, I just wanted to show you really quick what her little bag looks like. That is so cute. And this is Lynn's loaded pocket. That is so pretty. So I'm going to take everything out so that we can look at her pocket. How pretty is that? Look at that peacock. That is very, very pretty. She did use the die that I used in the example when you guys signed up. That is so pretty. All pink and blue and green, gold. And then there is her stamp, LV Crafts, Handmade with Love. That's so pretty. She's got a little Hello Kitty on there. Thank you so much, Lynn. That is so pretty. Very nice. So the first thing that I am going to show you is her dangle. Look at this dangle, guys. That is so pretty. She's got a lot of beads in here. She's got a tassel. She's got blue, pink, green, yellow, purple, pink, Very pretty, very, very nice. And she has put it on this binder clip. So I will clip that back on here. Very pretty. Thank you, Lynn. And she has also made us her rosette wand. Oh, how cool. That is cute. She's put a wax seal on the back. That's so nice. I like that one. And then she put a big old puffy heart at the bottom. She's got a gold doily. Some puffy stickers here on the front. And that little flower wants to come off. She's got the really cute like enamel sticker, the heart sticker. It says plant kindness, grow love. Beautiful rose and a bow on the top, and she has glued that down. Pink and white straw, super, super cute. Thank you, Lynn. And this is her tag. Oh, that's cute. She's cut up some tissue. She's sewn it together, and that little tissue's right here. She's probably got a little squirrel on there. She's got some crepe paper in the background. Beautiful bow on the top. I like that heart. Super, super cute. Thank you. Thank you so much, Lynn. She has made us a paper clip with a rolled flower on the top. That's cute. These are her homemade flowers. She's made them out of crepe paper. She put a rosette in the center, a leaf on the back side, and some trim going across. And this one has a butterfly, a flower, again with the crepe paper. There we go. Thank you so much, Lynn. And her die cuts are in here. Okay guys, I have gone ahead and separated what I could here. She put a lot of paper clips in here that she has made for us. She put some of these acrylic pieces in here. That's really pretty. And then this one, oh, this one's a button. It looks like, how pretty. And then this flower. Very, very nice. Thank you for that. She's included some small envelopes, a couple of word dies. This one might be it's a rosette, but I'm not sure which one it is. And then she's included a lot of small pieces. This little pennant says love. She's put some cooking utensils in there. So a lot of small ones in here. And then she has put a little kettle in here. Some bag toppers there. And then this one is a vellum piece, a butterfly, this shape, and then another little back topper. And then these are so cute. These are little dividers, and these are so adorable. She cut them out in 2 different colors. Huh, I've never seen this before, but that is so adorable. You can make put this into a small pocket planner. So super cute. And then she has included some alphas. She sent 1 sheet of Snap Studio alphas, and then she sent a package of Dear Lizzie alphabet stickers. Very cool. Well, thank you so much, ladies. It has been so much fun. You ladies have so much talent, and I appreciate you guys sending me a package as well. And I will talk to everyone later. Thanks a lot, guys.